What's going on, guys? Welcome to J Hook Outdoors. It is the opening of, that was kind of weird, right? It is the opening of rifle season. I've already killed one, very first one with my crossbow. Coming out here, we are really early. It's 4:44. I've heard of, from what I could gather, about 8 that were killed in the neighboring county this morning, so I know they were moving this morning. I've already seen 2, because I just got done telling the story of my first kill with my bow. I've already seen 2 coming from the property I have permission to hunt, crossing the road, so they're out, they're moving already. So let's get in there. I've got trail cam cards to swap out, so I'll be able to get some cam footage at the end of this video. And let's climb up in the stand and let's see if we can't see some moving and see if we can't put one on the ground. All right, stay tuned, guys. Let's get in here and get to doing it. Gunshot went off in the distance right when that fader went off. Did you guys hear it? It's a long way away. Maybe they'll start moving. All right, guys, I'm gonna have to stop turning the camera off because I shot one and took off running, and I got bad lost and didn't know where I was, and so I was making my way back because the blood trail ran out, and look what I stumbled up on right here. My second doe. But I am bad lost. I have no idea where to go. I'm gonna try to follow this little trail right here. I called the landowner. He said if I followed out of his back house, the moon, which is up there, is to his right. So that means the pond should be over there. So I'm about to wrap this thing up and get to going. Stay tuned.
Not doing anything.
I wish I was saying the same. It's a pretty night though. I'm just in the middle of the woods.
Is it scary?
Nah. All right, that's where the sun set. If I walk towards the sunset, I gotta walk towards y'all's house.
Yes. Let me turn the back porch light on. How do I drop a pin? I've done that forever.
Open up Google Maps.
Okay, I did.
And then you can drop a, it's like a orange little dot.
I see the dot.
And then just put it right on your house, or...
Oh, I see. I forgot you just got to...
And then you can share, that pin and send that message to me.
I'm sharing it right now.
Oh, watch out.
All right, I shared it. We cut the back porch light on.
No. No, if that, let me see what this pen does. I gotta plug up my phone. It's about to die. I can't believe I stumbled on that deer while I was lost. That was crazy.
go very far.
Especially
Where'd you hit it at?
in the lungs.
No, dude, you're getting better.
I meant to get it in the shoulder though. All right, I got this heading that way now. As long as this should bust open the fire brake anyway.
Are you on the other side of the dirt road, or are you on my side of the dirt road?
No, I'm on your side of the dirt road.
Yo.
I'm back on the trail, headed in.
Yeah.
No, y'all enjoy your Saturday night. I need to work.
I'm headed down there. I gotta see it happen.
You told me to get in shape. Let me go haul it 100 feet, then puke, and I'll go another 100.
No, you got that.
Later. There's the landowner. He had to get his wife to drop a pin so I could find my way back after getting lost. Because what she did was, there was 3 of them. I shot the biggest doe, and I guess I followed the wrong one with my eyes that I thought I shot. And this one wound up going straight in. And then once she went in, took a hard dog leg right. And I was following her, following the blood trail. And then got lost because I couldn't find the blood trail no more. So after spinning around in 360 a couple times, I just started making my way back and stumbled up on her. So almost there. Let's get her there.